Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a shape with dashed border. Dashed in the sense, the dot dot type border. It's quite simple and easy. Before that, make sure you subscribe and leave a like. Let's get right into the video. So for example, I make a shape. So this is a shape, the most basic shape. I'll just do that. So now it doesn't have any border. It's just plain. So to add a border, what I'm going to do is press on stroke. Now it has stroke. Now what happens is I'm just going to put it outside. So I'll do that. Now it has a border, but I need it to be dashed. So I can just go here. It says it's solid. You have to press on this, by the way. Hold on solid. You're going to come here, press on dash. Now once you do that, you can even select the gap inside, but I don't want to do anything of that. I'll do that in another video. I need more watch time. So that's it. You got, the dashed border. It's that simple. Thank you for watching and make sure you subscribe.